Good morning, teacher. My name is Itzan Valiente. Today we are talking about the Master in Academic Summarization, and we are going to take the advantage of the Unit 5 summarizing techniques for EFL teaching students and teachers. We're going to see how you have to summarize and you create your academic about these techniques. And we're going to see all about the students and teachers. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, learning objectives. We are going to define your academic goal. What is the learning objective? The presentation provides a systematic approach to identify and synthesize key information. Academic research focus on AI in EFL. Analyze text structures, designate complex journal articles, strategy application, and EFL study. So these are the 3 points that they going to learning objectives. But we are going to focus on SQ3R and concept mapping because they are going to be very important to strategy application about analyzing and AI in EFL. Okay, the strategy one, the key SQ3R method, a comprehensive reading recall strategy. The SQR is a reading method. What is method? This is a method about some points we are making here. They are 5 points that are survey, question, read, recite, review. What? Survey, sky headings, and abstract. See what is the problem and see who could be the solution. Questions. Formulate research inquiries. What is possible? Why is possible? How is possible? And where is possible? Read. Target reading to solve questions. You have to search answers to see if many in information or in paragraphs or insights you can go. Recite, you can find your own words to put in the script and review. Re-examine if see if some a mistake. You have here an example. You have here this article and you see how this is its inscription in cursive. These are all this that you making the SQR3. Okay, so we're going to the strategy number 2, concept mapping, the visualizing hierarchical knowledge. What is hierarchical knowledge? Transform abstract findings into a network of ideas. Why we use that? Because we made a thesis, not for us, it's enough for 10 students, and trace supporting evidence, methodologies, animation connected nodes. You have to connect every information, every evidence that you make it. A test, results, evidence. A homework, result, evidence. You have to apply all of this, applying AL, AAF. You can use chatbots to flensing gains. You can branch students' anxiety, the teacher feedback, visualize the research gap to see the solution, results, and who could be a better answer to this problem. Okay, the summarization process, a step to success. The first step is search. Two academic journals. One could be in AI and the other be in EFL. Dissect. Use a mean run introduction method result discussion to see what is the problem and who could be the solution. Apply. Use the SQ3R for one text, concept map for two texts. As the step number one, you can go in one with artificial intelligence and the other with EFL acknowledgement. And synthesize. Write a current original paragraph for each other. You have to write it with your own words or with a paraphrase words. You can make it because if you put your own words, you are making a great job to see what is the my solution and my description. And you have here an article summarized by in a citation. The strategy applied here is the SQ3R. The citation are really here, and here's the summary. Please note something. The site is before this. Okay, you're making this. The summarize applying, you have to identify what is the problem with SQR3. Identify the problem and focus the solution. And in the concept mapping, you have to see here, you are making the description and before the results. That are the difference. One mark, the, the, one mark the problem and solution, and this mark the concept and the evidence. And he could be my references. Thank you so much, teacher. See you next class.